channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be another video from my affordable makeup series, which you guys just love, and yes, you guys have guessed it right. So the product that I'm going to review today is going to be very affordable. So here is the product. So today I'm basically going to review the new Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadows, and I have all the eyeshadows with me right over here. So I'm going to swatch them all. Now I'm also going to give you guys a mini tutorial on how you can use this. So I'm basically going to give you a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. So if you guys want to know more about these, then please keep on watching. So guys, since this video is from the affordable series, I'm sure you guys are really eager to know the price of these. So basically each of the metallic liquid eyeshadow retails for rupees 190 to rupees 200. It varies from store to store. I think at Nykaa you will be able to get them at rupees 200. Not only that, you will be able to get these on Instagram stores at different price as well. So I'll put down a few links down below for you to check out. Guys, now moving on to the shades. As you can see, there are basically 6 shades right over here. So let me just take it out of the box. Guys, these are all the shades. Now coming to the packaging, guys, the first thing that came to my mind when I saw these is that, wait, this looks exactly like the Stila liquid eyeshadow, and yes, the packaging is exactly like that. The packaging is actually quite good, and it basically comes with a doe foot applicator, which I think is very convenient for applying over your eyelid. Now let's talk about the actual quality of the product. So guys, first of all, let's start with the pigmentation. The pigmentation of these liquid eyeshadows are really great, and they look beautiful. They are very glittery, very metallic. They are more glittery, I would say. Only the shade number 01, that is Gold Goddess, is more on the metallic side. The rest are all very glittery. So let me just swatch one of these for you guys and show you guys how the pigmentation basically is. So you can see how pigmented these are. So that was just one swatch. Now once you apply these, it takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes for it to dry up, and once it dries up, it stays put no matter what. So it's not going to rub off, it's not going to come off. Even if you sweat, it's not going to come off, which is really good. So guys, the swatch that I had applied on my hand has now dried off. Let me show you how intact this one is. So like, as you can see, but nothing happens. So you can see how how intact it stays. Even if you are going to rub your eyes, it's not going to come off, which is something really great. Now the best thing about these liquid metallic eyeshadow is that you can actually use them in different way. If you want, you can use it as an eyeliner. If you want, you can definitely apply it all over your lid, or you can just use them for creating halo eyes, or you can just apply it in your inner corners. You know, you can use it in different way. It totally depends on you. And another thing which I really enjoyed about using these is that they don't give you fallouts, which I think is a big thing. For all of us, we know that glitters are so difficult to work with. So guys, that's all with the review. Now let's quickly jump into a mini tutorial and show you guys how I have achieved this look.
So guys, I'm going to start with applying some color to the crease, and I'm going in with a brown shade in my crease. Next, I'm going to pick up a peachy shade and apply that in my crease as well. For the glitter, I'm going in with a 02 Diamond Dust, and I will be applying this over my eyelid, and you can see the pigmentation. It's just beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it's beautiful. So I'm just going to apply it from the inner corner till the middle of my eyelid and little towards the outer corner. So you can see how easily that applies with the help of the doe foot applicator, and there is no fallout at all. So once that is applied, next I'm going in with number 03 Champagne, and I will be applying this in my outer corner and slowly blend it out with the help of my finger to add a little depth. And I'm also going in with some eyeliner to show you guys how easily the eyeliner goes over this glitter. So that's it guys, this is how simple and easy it was, and there's no mess, no fallout, nothing. It was so simple to do.
So guys, you could see how easily you can achieve this look. You don't have to play with glitter glue, you don't have to play with loose glitter. It's not at all messy, very simple and easy to achieve, and all you have to do is just straight away apply them and they quickly dry. So that is something really great. So guys, now coming to my overall thoughts and views on these eyeshadows. The thing that I love the most about these eyeshadows are the way they look. I think they look beautiful on the eyes. They're very glittery and very reflective, and that is something I personally love. They're stunning, very easy to apply. It's not at all messy. The packaging is good. The product itself is very good. It dries off very quickly. It stays for a pretty long time. So it overall has almost all the good things that you want, and overall I would say that this product is really good. So I'm definitely impressed with the product and I love these. So guys, with that, this video comes to an end. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys, also don't forget to click on the small notification bell near the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And guys, if you guys want me to try out any other Swiss beauty product, then do mention it down in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.